What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to do another mail call. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I got a couple here to start out with. Some Bluegrass Brothers. I'm going to start with, looks like Toby Northen. Not Northern. And let's see what he's got here. Got a note. All kinds of stuff. It says, Randy, what's going on, brother and fellow Kentuckian? I hope you're getting better weather than we are here in Elizabethtown. I've learned the Midwest has very temperamental weather year-round. If we don't link up before VAM 21, it's going to be awesome meeting you and other bikers and motovloggers. Hitting the Dragon will be a great experience too in and of itself. It's been a blast on the Lawson live stream with you, and I look forward to more. Ride safe and stay shiny side up, Toby Northen. And really awesome sticker. The Bluegrass State there, cruising the Commonwealth and beyond. That is cool. And let's see. Oh, got another note and some poker chips. You said you probably won't make the world record poker run, right? Well, I changed my mind. I am going to do the world record poker run. I don't recall you saying if you've been to Sturgis or not. I did back in 2015 for the 75th anniversary. Of course, the first time going was the highest attendance out of all the rallies, so it was crazy. If you have, feel free to keep or pass on another motovlogger. Talking about the poker chips, whether I have them or not, and I do not have these. There's one out of Bluegrass Harley Davidson that's in Louisville, Kentucky. I've been to Louisville several times, but I've never been to that one. I need to stop and check it out. And the other one looks like it's from Sturgis. This is cool. Appreciate it, brother. Those are some really cool poker chips. I love the sticker. All right, next up, another guy out of Kentucky near me actually is Father Bobber. And he sent me a couple really cool stickers. Check those out. Really like those stickers. Make sure you check out their channels. They got some really cool channels. If you like them, give them a subscribe, and they got some really great content. Let's see, what do we got? I got another from ChopperFett out of Kansas. Let's check this out. Got a note. Got some stickers. It says, hey Randy, keep up the great work. Thanks for all the support, ChopperFett. And he's got a couple stickers here. Oh, poker chips. All right. So there's one sticker, and there's the poker chip. Actually, let me take this off because I want to show you the back of it as well. Stickered, or excuse me, taped up. See, there's the other side. His bike. That is cool. And he has one. This is his new sticker, his new logo. That is sweet. And he's got it's a new poker chip with it on it. That is awesome. Very cool. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. And we got one out of Canada. I've been getting a few pieces of mail from Canada. This is from Harleys Diners and Rides. It says, hi Randy, I'm new to your channel, enjoying your videos. I liked your retirement video and hope you're successful in reaching your goals. Cheers, Dave. Thanks, Dave. I really appreciate it. Dave and his wife Lori have a toy hauler, and they get to travel just like they're all over Canada or Of course, if the borders were open, they would probably cross over into the U.S. That's something I want to do one day, is get a toy hauler and just travel all over and ride my bike wherever. And here is their stickers. Really cool stickers. It's awesome. And he has a spam card. Harleys Diners and Rides. So go check out. He's got a website, Facebook, Instagram. A little close up there. Thank you both. I really appreciate it. And I got another piece of mail. This comes out of PA. And I've gotten mail from him before, but he had gotten some new stickers, and that's Goofy Bastard. He says, thank you again for all the kind words you said about my channel. I truly appreciate it. So I've enclosed my new stickers as well as my custom poker chip, plus a chip I had gotten from a now closed Harley dealer near me. Thanks again so much for the support, Goofy Bastard. That is awesome. You've been seeing that a lot. Like, either dealerships have closed or they've changed ownerships, and when they change ownerships, they typically sometimes change the name. That happened here near me as well. And here is his new stickers. This is like a holographic one that's really cool. Beautiful bike. He has a gorgeous bike. I really like that bike. And okay, I'm gonna see if I can pry this off. He's got these on here good. All right, so that would be Harley Davidson of Chester Springs. Yeah, Chester Springs, Pennsylvania. That's pretty cool. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that. And then he has his own holy crap. You got this taped on there good. All right, there it is. That is awesome. All right, so that's pretty much it. Make sure you check out all these channels. There'll be a link in the description for all these channels. They have some really great content, and more importantly, just some really great folks. I appreciate all the support that they've given me, and I'm definitely going to continue to support them as well. We're just one big community, one big family, really. So again, I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for all the mail that everyone has sent so far, and please like, share, and subscribe, and always rip the ride. See you.